If your YouTube app is crashing or auto closing on Android phone, then this is the video you should watch. Hey everyone, this is Lucy. Welcome to this channel and let's get started. So first, you need to make sure you have your YouTube app updated. If it's not updated with the help of Play Store, go to Play Store, search for YouTube and update if there are any update button instead of uninstall. Now, go back to settings. Here, once you get in settings, you need to go to app settings, search for YouTube again, and go to storage. So here you need to clear its cache and its data. This also doesn't work. Follow all these steps and restart your phone. Hopefully this will fix your problem. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will meet you guys in the next video.